right, everybody. Our first flow I want to share with you, Superflow, is the Uluwatu flow. Uluwatu is an amazing beach close here in Bali. So I'm going to show you this way. There's only a few movements, and it feels really good when you put this together. And the first position is going to be reverse warrior. So your feet are nice and wide. Sink your hips down. Left arm up, arch back. Eat some grapes, just taking the goodness. Get a stretch for this nice side body, back leg strong. All right, position one. Now position two is one that we use in our Dogtown and Z-Boys flow. It's called Mute-Katasana. So I'm going to bend my right leg, and this left hand as it comes down sweeps around and comes down. My toes come up and I end up here. Now, this should be a stretch for the underside of my left leg. Okay, so my inner groin, especially if I pull the hips that way. Okay, so do it with me. Now, your right hand, wiggle it. What we do here, it's a little funky transition, but we take our right arm back and go into what we call a barrel lunge. So I'm just turning on the foot and I take my right arm back. Now my head doesn't go straight forward. This is my left side. My head goes over to the left and I lay it back like I'm just getting the smell of like the most amazing, yummy garlic bread in the world. I open up and then I circle the right hand forward and come into a pyramid pose. And that's pretty much it. We transition side to side. So right leg is up. I'm now facing the back. Lower down into chaturanga. Lift the right leg up again. So it's almost like a transition we're doing cosmic bowling. Take your right foot and step. 4 movements. Reverse warrior. Yeah. Mute-Katasana, right elbow down, left arm up. Turn on your foot. Lay it back, open up. Swim that left hand over the head and stretch. Left leg up high. Lower down. Let's just do one breath, one movement. Left leg up. We'll get it together. Step. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, mute. Man, this feels good. Rotate, open up. Right arm opens wide. Right hand circles around pyramid. Right leg up high. Chaturanga. Right leg up. Step forward. We're going to start facing the front after this. Reverse warrior, still facing the back. Right hand down, left knee bends, left arm opens up, barrel lunge. Throw your left hand over the head, stretch it out. Left leg up high, lower down, up, and there's lots of cool places we can go from there. Okay, I just want you to know that flow. It's a beautiful one and it feels so good when we put it together. So, Uluwatu flow, do it often.